Namaskar plant lovers, welcome to my channel Be in Terrace. These are the petunias from this season. I have planted them in November. Now it is end of March. Though they are still blooming, but the flowers got smaller in size and the colors also fade away a little bit. They will give us flowers till June-July if you can take proper care. I have already made a video about how to keep your petunias blooming in summer. I will add the link in the description box and I will also add this link in the I button. Go and check it. So in today's video, I will tell you how to collect seeds from petunias and how you can save them for the next season. So keep watching this video till end. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified. You can collect the seeds when your plant starts to get dry during June. But I have let my plant to grow seed now to make this video to show you the process, how to do it, how to collect the seeds. So keep watching this video till end and you will know all about it. These are the double petal petunias. You can also collect their seeds, but I don't have any seeds of these double petal petunias now. This is single petal petunia, another variety. So I have many different petunias this year. I have violet one, I have pink one. There are lots of them. So you can see there are a lot of dry petunias. These flowers got dried and I have not removed them. And this one, this is the seed of petunia. This is the seed pod. Here you can find all the seeds and you look at them. There are all of them are dry. Here you remove the dry flower and see, this one doesn't have seed, but here actually the seed grows. There is another one. Most of the flowers got dried. You can see this small green part. This one got matured and it will produce seeds. If you don't deadhead the dry flowers, the spent flowers, your plant will start to grow seed, but not all the flower is growing seed. You can see you don't get seeds from all the dry flowers. Don't pluck them before they dry completely. There are still flowers that are drying, and this is another one. You can see this seed actually got matured. It's brown. That means it's got matured and you can get seeds from this seed pod. These are the seed pods, but this one doesn't have any seeds in it. There is no seed. This one have seeds, but it's not matured yet. It's a little bit green. The green ones are not matured. Don't pluck them. Let them be in the plant. See, this flower got dry, and here this is the seed pod. It has seeds in it, but this one doesn't have seed. Look at it. This one doesn't have seed. Here is another one. These are all dry flowers, but this one also doesn't have seed. You will realize this one is not seed. These are double petaled petunias. they will also grow seed, but now I don't have any seeds of them here. This plant have grown a lot of seeds. So pluck it because it got matured, so now I can pluck them and collect the seeds. Pick those brown ones, don't pluck the green one because they are not matured. See this brown one, it's brown, the seed pod is brown, so it is also matured one. Let's see, here is another one, so I'm plucking it. So I have got 4 or 5 seed pods. Now it's time to collect the seeds. So now open the seed pod. You can see this one is completely dry and it is ready. Those seeds are ready, so I'm opening the seed pod and there are so many seeds in one seed pod. Those green parts are a bit sticky, so some seeds are stuck in those green parts. I'm removing them. So it will be better if you remove the green part first and then open the seed pod. Then it will be easier. It will not get messy. See, there are still so many seeds in it. You will get at least 50 to 100 seeds from one seed pod. And those seeds are so small. See, those are sticking in the green part. Very small seeds, so it is you have to be careful while collecting them. Those little black dots, those are the seeds. They are so small. I am removing the green part. As I have said, it is easier to collect the seeds without the green part because it's sticky. Now open the seed pod and voila, there are the seeds. There are so many seeds in one seed pod. So they are very tiny. You have to collect the seeds after letting them dry in sun. Keep them under sun for 2 days, let it get dry, and then you can store them for the next season. Plant those seeds in September or in August. You can also plant them in August. They will take some time to germinate, so you can plant them either in August or in September. While collecting the seeds, always remember to collect the fat ones, and you will not get seeds from every flower, as I have shown you. So collect the fat ones, and it will be better to store them in a glass jar. I have washed my glass jar in hot water and soap. So after getting them dry under sun, you can keep them in any container, but if it is airtight, that will be better. So I am collecting them in a glass jar that is properly washed. You can see there are so many seeds. It may seem like a very small amount of seeds, but if you look them properly, there are a lot of tiny seeds. At least 500 seeds are in there. There are lots of seeds. You can't see them in through my camera because they are so small. So I'm collecting them in this glass jar after getting them dry, and I will plant them in September or in August. I'll share with you the information and the whole process. So that was it, guys. Collect all the seeds you need and store them properly, and you will get petunias in next season. In next winter you can grow your own flowers, your own plant. You don't have to buy them. These seeds germinate easily. It's not a very hard process. Thank you for watching my video till end. If you guys like my videos, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description box. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and happy gardening.